This was a former iron and steel mill over here. Wow. Not much to it, but it's really, really dope. I like this. I'm assuming that's part of it. I'll go over there in a bit. But I want to check this out. I wonder how hard it was to actually work in these type of mills that they had back in the day. Like how hard was labor and how hard were the bosses and stuff like that. Like how mean were they? Were they tyrants? Was it a sweatshop? Did they make you work until you couldn't work no more? I don't know. And people today are bitching and complaining that they have to do one or two things at their jobs. They don't know what it was like to actually do real work in physical labor at these jobs back in the day. These people that can't handle a simple, 9 to 5 today would not survive in a mill. People are built differently, obviously, so that has a lot to do with it too. Look at the rust. So cool. Let's see what this contraption is. Interesting. Alright. Let's see what else is over here. I don't think there's anything else over here, but it doesn't hurt to check, Some people over there. Don't want to bother them. Let's go down here. This looks like a former bridge of some sort. I'm just judging by, you see those stone pillars out there? That probably was a bridge at some point. Probably got wiped away, maybe like in a hurricane or something. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell that it was. Yeah, look at the ruins of it right there. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yep. You can see the stone pillars out there, but yeah. That's what's left of it. The bridge. You can see that. Wow. Okay. Back to the mill. I like to explore all of the area. See what I can find, Some burn marks here. Alright. Knocked over. like a little beach over here. A filthy beach that I would never go to. And you guys know I'm a beach person. But anyway, yes, let's go back to the ruins of the mill. Alright, let's walk over here. Is that a geese in there? I see something in there. Well, we're gonna find out. Yeah, it is. I see him moving. This could really be used as like a roller rink or something. Repurpose this place. Excuse me. Well, it's 2025. I don't know how many people actually roller skate anymore. I was born in '81, so I grew up on going to roller skating rinks. But man, this place would be really, really dope as like a roller skating rink, a dance hall or something. This is dope. Wow. It's really cool. Look how big this place is. But being that it is historical structure, they probably don't want to mess with it. Preserve it as it is. I was just putting that thought out there. Not saying destroy history. Don't do that. Man, this is cool. Gotta watch where I step. Make sure there's no geese poop in here. Yep, see this poop right there. You could literally have a party in here. I'm not even joking, man. I'm pretty sure people have partied over here. Judging by all the debris. Alright. Whoa. There's a little trail back here. Let's go over here. This is Richmond. Thank you for the clarification. I didn't know I was in Richmond. piece of the rusty roofing ceiling. Nice quiet day today. Excuse me. Cool. Oh, a nice little stroll. It's like a storage box.